First step, fill the cable jacket sufficiently. Then, neatly arrange the small cable inside and arrange them like the order T568B. If you feel the cable is neat, cut the cable so that it is even when inserted into the RG45 connector. If you feel the cable has reached the end, then crimp it. If so, do the same steps on the other end. Once finished, test the cable connectivity using a LAN tester. Insert both ends of the cable into the LAN tester and turn on the LAN tester. If all the LED are on, then the cable is working properly. Thank you.